TK38. Today's video, I've got this ambient LED light kit for car interiors. It's one of these EL strip lights, ice blue, and we're going to retrofit it. Got this from Amazon. It's a 3 meter light strip. It's probably about 8 quid, 10 quid. I'll leave a link in the description. And I'll get this unboxed and give it a shot at installing. Just have a look what we've got. So I'll leave the thin edge you fit into the gaps of the panel and just leave the rounded edge exposed on view. Then we got the pry tool. This USB type 1 looks like a driver of some sort. So obviously that's where my power is. So I'm thinking if we can go underneath the glove box maybe and go along the inside, and then we can maybe start in there just underneath the vents, run it along here, under here, underneath the vents, and then underneath the steering wheel, or maybe over the steering wheel, underneath there, run it along, and then we should come out somewhere here maybe, or here. Close it off, put like a shark fin on, just put that dome cap on just to protect the optic fibre from any damage. That's the installation all completed. We only managed to really get one line across, left to right of the dashboard, up and over around the steering column, which is not the best detail. It'll come back out here, loops just around the door, back in, and just terminates on that little end cap. Just put on, just a hidden away. So this is all what's left, and there's probably about a foot, just under a foot left. So from a 3 meter, it's the power lead. It's quite short to the driver, which I have to tape underneath. The lead wasn't really long enough to really hide it away or tuck it away behind a sort of the pillar or something. So that's the main gripe. It's probably just under 2 foot, 1.5, 2 foot maybe. I forgot to measure it, but it's a little device. Just tucked it on there, I think. Just put it in there, and then it goes all the way around. This glove compartment's quite tricky because there's no trim to pinch a little sewing bit, that little fin. There wasn't much to pinch that, so I had to sort of glue it and tape it in place and wait for the glue to set, and hopefully that should stay in place.